Good day everyone, my name is Rex Magdaluyo from Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering 1A. Ngayon naman ay ang related rates. May problem tayo dito. A person 2 meter tall walks towards a lamppost on level ground at a rate of 0.5 meter per second. The lamp on the post is 5 meter high. How fast in the length of the person's shadow decreasing when the person is 3 meter from the post? So, imagine natin na meron tayo ditong poste. Na may ilaw. At meron tayo ditong tao 2 meter. Naglalakad siya ng 0.5 meter per second papunta dito sa lamppost na 5 meters high. Ang tanong dito, how fast in the length of the person's shadow decreasing when the person is 3 meter from the post? From the post. So, maaninuhan siya ng ganyan. Okay. Ito ang hinahanap natin. Gano'ng kabilis lutong lumiliit. Lagyan natin ng X. Itong link na to, gumagalaw din siya. Kunyari Y. Kunyari lumapit yung tao dito. Mapansin natin yung shadow niya lumiliit. Yung distance niya rin sa wall. Ano nang relationship na X and Y dito? So gagamit tayo ng triangle. Similarities ba? This is 2 meters. So this is 5. This is X. This is Y. So X over 2 is equals X plus Y over 5. Ang tanong, find how fast is the length of the person's shadow decreasing. Find dx over dt when the distance niya sa wall is equals to 3.